Hi students, a very pleasant and warm greetings to you all. Hope you are doing good. Last session we saw the introduction about computer ethics and cyber security, right? And today we'll see about Tamil computing. Before that we'll revise it once. We have seen the introduction about computers, number system and the hardware parts of the computer in computer organization, and then we have seen the theoretical concept and working with Windows operating system, and then about office automation tools. Here we have seen about word processor, spreadsheet and presentation, right? Word processor we have seen about OpenOffice Writer. In spreadsheet we have seen about OpenOffice Calci, and for presentation we have seen about OpenOffice Impress. So you know the office automation tools in MS Office also. In MS Office, the word processor is MS Word, that is Microsoft Word. The spreadsheet is MS Excel, Microsoft Excel, and the presentation automation tool is in MS Office, it is MS PowerPoint or PPT, right? And then we saw about the web page development, how we'll develop a web page using HTML. HTML is the basics of all programming languages. So before that, we have seen about internet. Internet means next thing is email. So you know what is internet and email. And in internet, to create a web page, we must know the programming language. So the programming language, we saw the basics about HTML and cascade and style sheet also. And then we have seen the introduction for the next level of programming language, that is JavaScript. In JavaScript, we have seen the control structures and the functions which will come in JavaScript. And in the last session, we have seen about computer ethics and cyber security. So you have got the clear idea about the ethics which you must know and you must follow when you are doing some programs or anything in computer, or when you are using network. You must follow this ethics, and then you have to be aware of all the cyber attacks. That is, so many threats are there, right? So cyber security threats are there, so you must be aware of all these issues, and you must work on with some ethical knowledge, okay? And then today we are going to see the introduction about Tamil computing. Okay, in our internet, if you see, not only English, we have so many other languages, including Tamil. Okay, so you can search or use Google in Tamil also. If you want to search something in Tamil, you can just take Tamil language in Google and you can type in Tamil and you can get the results also in Tamil. Okay, we'll see about that in our this session. See, Tamil computing means here when we see today this internet plays a major role in our life, right? Now we are in your home, and you are listening the class through YouTube. For that also we need internet, and we are taking class and we are uploading it on YouTube. Or if you are having the interactive session also, we need internet connection. Without internet, you can't learn also. So for education also, this internet has become the mandatory one, right? So here, as this technology updation is done, they are inventing so many more good things also, that some of us won't be comfortable with English, right? So for them also, this Google platform is giving some separate way that they can search using this search engines in Tamil itself, right? So here, if you see, as I said you, google.com and google.co.in is there, right? So if you are doing the Google search in India, if you are opening the Google search engine in India, that means google.go.in. If you are opening the Google search engine using this ID, means using this URL, means you will have the uh, languages. Below the Google search box, you will have the languages here. Here, they'll be giving some keyboard symbol will be there near the search. There, you can just click on that. It is known as the keyboard. If you are using English, means English keyboard will be there. If you are selecting some other language, means the particular language keyboard will be there. Okay. So here, below that, the languages will be there. First it will be written in English as English, and then Hindi, and then many other languages will be there, including Tamil. Okay, if you need Tamil, Tamil will be written in Tamil itself. You can just select that Tamil. So everything will be changed to Tamil. Okay, so below if you see India, if that down you can see some ad, right? That place it will be written as விளம்பரப்படுத்துதல், வணிகம், எங்களை பற்றி, விருப்பங்கள். So everything, Google தேடல், like that only it will be written in Tamil. Here, if you are using this Google search engine for a Tamil means everything will be in Tamil. You can type in Tamil. If you are not knowing Tamil typing also, using this keyboard, one symbol will be there, keyboard symbol will be there. If you are clicking on that, all Tamil letters will be there. Whatever you have to type, you can just use the Tamil keyboard which is displayed on the screen, and you can type in Tamil, and the search results also will be available in Tamil. Okay, and in this chapter, when you are learning about this Tamil computing, you also will be learning about e-governance and e-library. Okay, e-governance means the government sites and the government facilities are available on internet, right? So anything that is available online, we'll say it with e, right? Mail, email, commerce, e-commerce. Likewise, here in governance also, if you are needing a agricultural website means it has, Tamil Nadu government has a separate website for agriculture insurance. So each department will have each uh, websites, and they will have provided a web address also. You can access using the web address. About this web address and e-governance through Tamil, you can understand, and you will be able to um, reach them easily, right? So about e-governance and e-library also, if you need any books, you can just visit e-library and download the books from there. If some books are paid means you can pay through online, through e-payment, and you can just download the books and use it, right? Tamil typing and interference software. Some softwares are there for Tamil typing also. Like English, we have some fonts in Tamil also. We can select the particular font and we can work with it. And the Tamil office automation application. Here in Microsoft Office, Open Office and all, Tamil interface facility is there. So after installing the office automation software, here you can change it to Tamil. So everything, file, insert, view, everything will be displayed in Tamil. Okay, so when you are seeing the office writer tool, when you are seeing in English means it will be written, no, file, view, edit and all. So if you are using Tamil, it will be written there in Tamil. Like file is கோப்பு, right? பார்வை, view, நுழை, styles, for formats, everything. Tools, it will be written as கருவிகள். For help, it will be written as உதவி. So everything will be displayed in Tamil. So it will be easy. It's not just a language. If some people are comfortable with Tamil means, they also can use this technology in Tamil itself. If you're seeing in any smartphones or any mobile phones, now you can see all the things displayed in Tamil, right? So we are having a separate chapter for Tamil computing. How you can use the computer with Tamil language alone. That one only here will be learning. Okay, so here Tamil translation application is there. In Google itself, if you are putting Tamil translator means whatever you are typing in English will come in Tamil. Or if you are, you can just speak in Tamil and it will be converting it to English, and you can just hear it also. Okay, so Tamil Pori, that is a Tamil translation application. It will have more than 30,000 Tamil words, which is equivalent to English. So using this application, we can translate some sentences from English to Tamil. Okay, Google also we can translate online, and here using this Tamil Pori also you can translate English to Tamil. Okay, and Elil, this is the first programming language which is designed in Tamil. Okay, this Elil, this is the first Tamil programming language, and you will see about this later when you are learning this chapter. And about Tamil Information Interchange Coding Systems, that is TSCII. Here you would have learned about ASCII coding, that is American Standards Information Interchange. This is Tamil script code for information interchange, that is TSCII. About this, and Indian script code for information interchange, that is ISCII. Here you will have Unicode and about Tamil operating system and organization and projects to develop Tamil also. Tamil Virtual Academy is there. It was been established in the year 2001 on February 17th by the government of Tamil Nadu, and this organization functions with the name called Tamil Virtual Academy. Okay, so here they offer many courses like Tamil language, culture, heritage, this and all. Regarding these things, they are giving offering some courses. Okay, so here they can do it in Tamil. KG to graduation level also you can do it in Tamil itself. This Tamil Language Council is there in Singapore also. So the government of Singapore has given the importance to Tamil language in a good manner. And Madurai project, that means project Madurai, that is the open and voluntary initiative to collect and publish free electronic editions of ancient Tamil literary classics. That means old books will be there, right? Old books or old things, they are scanned and they have been kept here in the name of Madurai project. So this is a voluntary initiative to collect and publish the old Tamil traditional things. So all these will be available here in Madurai project. Okay, and Wikipedia. In Wikipedia, all the details you want will be there, right? So this Wikipedia is also offering us in Tamil. More than 1 lakh articles are there in Tamil, and we have Tamil Wikipedia, and the website is https://ta.wikipedia.org/. This is the Tamil Wikipedia website. Okay, here in order to make Tamil as a living language, it is the duty of every Tamilan to actively use the Tamil in the developing technology. That means here when you are using computer and when you are becoming a programmer also, we can use Tamil by the side so that our language also will be advanced, right? When you are creating a program or something, you can just include the Tamil language also into it. Okay, so here Tamil topped the list of widely used regional languages in India in the year 2016. Among the 42 percentage are using internet. Okay, so this Tamil language internet is used in most of the places. And Google and Bing, this two search engines are giving Tamil search engines. You can search in Tamil in Google and Bing. Okay, getting internet services through getting government services through internet is known as e-governance. Getting the library services through internet is known as e-library. Okay, Tamil e-library services are provided by the help of 1,000 books are there. More than thousands of books are Tamil books are there, and they are given with free of cost. You can just use the e-library and you can download the Tamil books, and these e-books are mostly free of cost only. You can download it for free. Then the next one is Tamil Puri. Tamil Puri, as I said, it is the Tamil translation application. It will have more than 30,000 Tamil words, which is equivalent to English words. Okay, the first Tamil programming language is Elil. And Unicode. Unicode is an encoding system which is designed to handle many world languages including Tamil. Okay, Windows Tamil environment interface should be downloading and installed from the internet. Okay, so you can download the Windows Tamil environment from internet and you can use it for Tamil language. Okay, so today we have seen the introduction about Tamil computing, and next class we will see about the practical programs also. So if you get a clear idea of which all practical programs are coming in your syllabus, means you can study accordingly, right? When you are learning the theory or when you are learning the lessons itself, if you are knowing from this lesson, if you are learning OpenOffice Writer, if you can write one program, or if you can do one practical exercise, means when you are learning that theory part itself you will be a little more curious about that, so that the practical part will be easy, right? So I'll give you the introduction about your programs, that is your practical exercises also in the next session, and after completing this we'll go start with our portion. Okay, so I have given you the ebook in your group. If you cannot open the ebook, means just text me, just give me a message in WhatsApp. I'll send you the book as a image file, okay, so that you can open it easily. Okay, you just try to open the PDF. If you can open it, it's good. You will be having the whole book in your mobile. You can just see the book and you can write it in your note. Okay, so I have given you some work, right? So first you have to write about computer and what all introduction you have got from this class. You can refer from first class. Uh, you have been attending the online sessions, right? So from this online sessions, what all knowledge you gained, what all topics you got to know. Yesterday I have said you about encryption, decryption and all. These are all important topics. So as soon as hearing those words, you just write down that words in your note and you just write down the definition. As per you have understood, what you understood from my class, you have to write it down in your note. Okay, so that I will know how much you have learned from this introductory session. Okay, so before starting our 11th grade portions, you must write this in your note. What all we have seen in the introductory session, and you can put the heading, and you can give all the headings: introduction to computer, operating system, word processor, open office calc, presentation basics. Like this you can put all the headings, and under each headings you can write what all you understood in your own words. You can write. Okay, after starting the theory, after starting the portion, you can write the correct definition from book. Now you can write with your own words. Okay, but you must write. Okay, thank you for your valuable time. Stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.